guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be customizing this wig. I really customized the heck out of this bang because the first bang was not what I expected, nor wasn't really rubbing my vibe the right way. Okay, so I'm customizing this wig and yeah, it's so cute. I like it so much. But regardless, be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to hit that little bell notification so you guys know when I am posting. And yeah, let's get into it.
So for this video, the wig that I'm going to be using is Myfirstwig, and I got the bob wig. So the first thing we're going to do is cut off the lace and then plop that baby on there, and this is how the wig looks at its natural state. Okay, so after kind of like visualizing the wig a little bit, the first thing that I'm going to do is straighten my bang, because I kind of want to see the bang and see what it has to offer. So once I cut off the little pieces of hairs, I realized that the bang is a little long. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting a little bit, playing with it. So this whole process, I'm literally playing with it and finessing it till I get it to how I kind of like it, you know. So I'm cutting off a little bit just to play with it a little bit, because I don't like the bangs in my eyes, because that irritates my eyes. It gets me cranky, and I don't want to be cranky. Okay, so when I'm cutting my bangs, I am literally just cutting up really fast. I know there's a method where people twist the bang and then cut it. Unless you're a professional and you don't want to waste your money, sometimes doing that for the first time, you're gonna just ruin your bang and cut it too short. So like, this is perfect because you cut little by little and it doesn't have like that direct, blunt, straight line. So once I did that a little bit and I'm kind of still playing with it, I'm gonna finish straightening off the wig so I can kind of see the potential. Okay, so now that the hair is straight, and right now I kind of really realize that like my bang is a little thick, and so right now I'm just playing with it to see how it would look if it had less hair. So I'm just like trying to see if it would look or it would match me better. So that's pretty much what I'm doing now, just like imagining. So at this point I'm like, yeah, it looks better if it had less hair in it. It just completes the look better, because right now it's too full. So right now what I'm thinking, I'm coming up with a master plan, and I thought, hey, wouldn't it be best to remove some of the lace from the bottom to remove some of the hair without it being shown? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking the scissors and I'm cutting some of the lace off. Since the lace in the front of the wig is already further than the rest of the wig, I pretty much cut it all off so it's even with the rest of the wig, if that makes sense. And then I kept looking at it, and I just kept doing the same thing, cutting off more and more and more until it was the right density for the bangs. So right now I'm like, okay, it needs a little bit more. This is when I cut a little bit more off the lace, and now I'm real happy with it. But now it's kind of long. So right now I'm just going to go back doing the upward motion, and I'm gonna cut some of the bangs down as well some more, because I like my bangs to be a little shorter. It gives it a different look. I don't know, and it being in my eyes, it bothers me, and I'm the type of person, I don't really like things in my face, so shorter bangs is always the key for me. So like about this point, I cut off that little piece right there, the sideburn, because this wig is not going to be a glued down wig. It's really cute the way it is, so I cut the lace off the edges so it looked like I could use my baby hairs and it'll look really natural. It's really snug on my face. It's really snug on my head, so I don't need all that. And yeah, I'm just playing with my hair right now, and I thought it would be really cute if I had like really cute colorful hair accessories to do to my hair. I would definitely do that, but that's not what we're doing in this video. So yeah, this is the final look. You could play with it, do little hairstyles. I'll probably do that in another video because this hair is so cute. But yeah, this is how the hair came out with the bangs, and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.